Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss some important questions in partnership. The questions I have collected are from previous year. Some questions will be definitely appear in our competitive exams. So let's get started. The first thing we have to remember while doing or solving partnership problems are investment into time period equal to profit ratio. This is the formula we have to remember during solving the partnership problems. The money invested into time period of the business is equals to profit ratio. Based on this formula, we will solve the problems now. The first question is A started a business with a capital of 1 lakh rupees and 1 year later B joined him with a capital of 2 lakh rupees. At the end of 3 years from the start of the business, the profit earned was rupees 84,000. The share of B in the profit exceeded the share of A by. In this question he is asking that A has started a business with 1 lakh rupees and after 1 year B joined him with a 2 lakh rupees and both ran the business for 3 years and the profit they have earned together are 84,000 rupees and at what amount the B has earned more than A. That is the question he asked. Let's move to the answer. As per the question, A has invested 1 lakh rupees and B has invested 2 lakh rupees. I have removed those additional 3 zeros. We can do like that. A was there in the business for 36 months and B was there in only for 24 months because he joined after 1 year and the business ran for 3 years. And one more thing you have to remember is while solving partnership problems, we have to indicate the time period only in the months. Whereas in simple interest, we have to indicate with the years. In partnership problems, we have to write in terms of months. So that's why 36 months for A and 24 months for B. 36 into 100 equal to 3600. 36 into 100 equal to 3600 and 24 into 200 equal to 4800. 2 zeros cancel and 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. The profit ratio is 3:4. That is A will be getting 3 parts and B will be getting 4 parts. In the question he has given the profit. What is the profit? It is 84,000 rupees. 84,000 rupees. In the question he asked what is the share of B in the profit exceeded by the share of A. That is B minus A. So here B is 4 parts and A is 3 parts. 4 minus 3 is 1 part. 1 by 7. 1 by 4 plus 3. 1 by 4 plus 3. That equal to 1 by 7. That is 1 by 7 into 84,000. That is the profit earned in 3 years. On cancellation you get 12,000 rupees. That is option B. 12,000. Option B is the right answer. This is the easy method to do. Some students will find out the A profit and B profit. Later they will subtract B minus A and they will get the answer. Not like that. That is a lengthy method and we don't have that much of time to calculate the profits individually. When the question is asked how much B exceeds A, means we have to subtract the parts, the ratio 4 minus 3 equal to 1 and then we have to calculate. Like that the answers should be done. Let's move to the second question. A, B and C started a business by investing rupees 40,500, 45,000 and 60,000 respectively. After 6 months, C withdrew rupees 15,000 while A invested 4,500 rupees more. In annual profit of rupees 56,100, the share of C will exceed that of A by. This is also the type of the previous question. In the question he is asking that A, B, C have started business with these amounts 40,500, 45,000 and 60,000 and after 6 months C has taken away the 15,000 rupees from his investment, that is 60,000 minus 15,000 is 45,000. A has invested 4,500 rupees more than previous, that is 40,500 plus 4,500, that is 45,000. In annual profit means the business ran for 12 months. The annual profit is given as 56,100. The share of C will exceed that of A. He is asking the C minus A value. Let's move to the answer. As in the question it was given that A is 40,500 and B's investment is 45,000, C's investment is 60,000. After 6 months, A has added 4,500 more. So that's why 40,500 into 6 and then if 4,500 is added to 40,500, it becomes 45,000. This 45,000 is up to 6 months. That is for 6 months he has invested 40,500 and the another 6 months he has invested 45,000. That's clear. What about C? C has invested 60,000 rupees for 6 months and After 6 months, he has taken away the 15,000 rupees. That is, he will be remaining 45,000. Whereas B has constant investment of 45,000 rupees into 12. The whole 12 months, for the whole 12 months. Next, another cancellation part. Here we have two zeros, cancel, two zeros, two zeros. Here this is one term, this is the second term, this is the third term, fourth term, fifth term. In all the 5 terms, we have two zeros in common. So we'll cancel all the two zeros in common in first term, second term, third term, fourth and fifth. Two zeros have been cancelled. And next, 6 can be cancelled in all the 5 terms. So 6 ones are 6, 6 ones, 6 twos, 6 ones, 6 ones. So 6 has been cancelled. Now we have the simplification has become easy now. 405 plus 450, that is 855, simple. Next, 450 into 2, 900. 450 into 2 is 900. 600 plus 450, 1050. After we can cancel with 15 table. 15 5 is 75, 15 7 is 105, 15 6 is 90 is 0, and 15 7 is 105 is 0. Well, C minus A. In the question he asked how much amount C exceeds A. So C minus A is 70 minus 57. 70 minus 57 is 13. 13 by total number of parts is 57 plus 60 plus 70. That gives 187. So 13 by 187 into 56,100. This amount has been already given in the question. On cancellation we get 13 3 is 39, 3,900 rupees. So by 3,900 rupees, C exceeds A. Option D, 3,900. Option D is the right answer. Sometimes we get difficult atypical numbers like 187 and 561. This is very difficult to cancel. So such times you have to observe the units place. Here in the denominator there is the units place is 7, and in the numerator the units place is 1. With what number if we multiply 1 comes? So on multiplication with 3 we get 21. So the units place is 1. Like that we have to analyze. So try to identify the answer. The next question is third question. Let's move to the third one. In a business partnership among A, B, C and D, the profit is shared as follows. A by B, A's share by B share equal to B by C, that equal to C by D, that is equal to 1 by 3. The total profit is 4 lakhs. The share of C is, he has given the ratios and he has given the total profit and he is asking the C's share. Let's see how to solve it. In the question it was given that A by B is 1 by 3. If A by B is 1 by 3 means A is to B is 1 by 3. B by C is equal to 1 by 3. So B is to C is also 1 by 3. C is to D is also 1 by 3. If ratios like this given, you have to write like this: A is to B and B is to C. A is to B, we have to multiply A into B, AB, B into B, BB, B into C, BC. Like this we have to multiply and get the ratios of ABC. So 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. This is the ratio of A is to B is to C. Like that we have to calculate. So A is to B is to C is 1 is to 3 is to 9. Now what? The remaining is D. We have to calculate the D's ratio. How to calculate the D's ratio? The same process will apply here also. A is to B is to C and C is to D. That is 1 is to 3 is to 9 into 1 into 3. 1 ones are 1, 3 ones are 3, 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. Now he has asked the C's share. So C share is, C has 9 parts. 9 by 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. That gives 40. Yeah. On cancellation we get 9 into 10,000, that is 90,000. Option C is the correct answer. Option C, 90,000 is the correct answer. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.